Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif in chapter 3, question number 14. So we are given the integration of fx from a to b is 5, and integration of fx from b to c is 8, and integration of gx from a to b is 2. So we have to find the value for the following, and we may leave our answer in terms of a, and or b. So please take note. Okay, now part A. So if we want to find from A to B, 3fx dx, we can actually take out the coefficient. So 3 from A to B fx, since this is given in the question, from A to B is 5. Therefore, we just take 3 times 5. So the value is 15. In part B, we have to find from A to C, fx. What we have is from A to B, B to C. So we can split this A to B, fx, plus from B to C, fx. Okay, so that will be 5 plus 8. So the answer is 13. C. So for C, we have integration from A to B, fx. We can split it and write like this, write in the two different integrals, write in two separate definite integral. So over here, from A to B, fx dx is 5, minus from A to B, gx, that is 2. Therefore, the answer is 3. Okay, so that's part C. Now, next, part D, from C to A. From C to A, fx dx. Okay, we can reverse the boundary A to C, but we have to put a negative. That means in the opposite direction. Why? Because we have from A to C, which is from part B. So negative 13 is the answer. Okay, so for E, we integrate A to B, gx. Again, we can split it. All right, and write in two terms of definite integral. A to B, 3 with respect to x. So for this part, from A to B, gx dx is 2. And then this is not given, but we can find on our own. So that will be 3x. Let's put the A to B, that is the boundary. So 2 plus 3b minus 3a. So that is the answer for part E. Okay, so that is the reason that I put this mark here. So the question should be find the value for the following, and you may leave your answer in terms of A and or B, because it seems that only E that contain A and B in the answer. All right, now let us move on. F, integration from A to A, fx dx. So that is 0. Basically, it is like, if this is the curve, right, we are looking for from A to A. So what is the area here? Basically, it's 0. Okay. And then G. All right, we have to find the value of k such that b to a of this is it is equals to 25. So let's write it down. Okay, b to a fx, split it. Okay, split it into two definite integral, b to a kx dx equals to 25. The coefficient, basically, we can just put outside. Okay, so we just integrate the x only. So from B to A fx, but we have from A to B. So we have to put a negative indicates the opposite direction. All right, A to B fx dx, and then plus, let's integrate this part. We have x squared over 2 from A to B. Okay, and equals to 25. So what is from A to B? From A to B is 5. Okay, from A to B is 5. Therefore, we have -5 here. -5 plus k. All right, we have A squared over 2 minus B squared over 2 equals to 25. So we can factorize the 2 out. So we have k over 2. And what is A? What is B? A is given as 1, B is 4. So 1 minus 4 squared, so 16, equals to 25 plus 5. Bring this over, 25 plus 5, so it's 30. Therefore, k -15 over 2k equals to 30. So k equals to 30 times 2 divided by -15. So we simplify this, we have -4. So we found k to be -4. So that's it for question number 14.